most often it's starting over the line and getting a false start. Alright, Hawk is in the back. Here, Pink Jammer trying to push him. Trying to get that out of play. And she, Hermione Grinder on her birthday jam, making it happen. Happy birthday, you're the lead jammer.
Go back in, Evie.
Number 8, Vicky Venture had to reset all the way from that path. Really in that big ball.
She's not letting that bother her. Keeping those feet moving is so important.
Go, yes, go, go.
There you go. Take your time, and she's out.
Yes.
That's good. Protect those points.
Yes.
Screaming on turn 4 for another scoring pass.
Go, Evie.
Back together, she's got it all.
Big